Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Ganesh fruit and vegetable steel handle juicer. The main reason I bought this juicer is because it helps extract pure juice without seeds, unlike mixer or grinder where seeds often get mixed in. So if you're looking for a manual electricity free juicer that gives clean and healthy juice, this video is for you. This juicer is made from impact resistant ABS plastic and it is BPA free, which makes it completely safe for daily use. It is suitable for fruits like watermelon, apple, orange, pomegranate, grapes, and more. Now let's talk about some important features. This is a manual juicer, so no electricity is required. Inside the box, we get the main juicer body, juice collecting glass, filter part, waste outlet, steel handle, anti-skid suction base. The anti-skid suction base creates a vacuum while using, so the juicer doesn't move at all. Very compact and lightweight, easy to store and even carry for picnics or outdoor use. All the parts are detachable, so assembling it is very simple. Now let's do a live juice extraction demo. Here I have taken 7 oranges. First I'll peel the outer layer and place the oranges into the top container. Now I'll start turning the steel handle. You can see the juice flowing directly into the glass at the bottom. And all the waste and seeds are coming out from the other side, which we can easily collect in a separate container. Look at this, we got 2 full glasses of strong fresh orange juice from just 7 oranges. The juice is pure, seed free and completely natural. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such useful reviews and DIY content. The buying link is available in the description box below. Thank you for watching.